Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 83. AKKA. AKKA. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is A, second syllable is Ka. Pronounce it with me. AKKA. AKKA. What is the meaning of the word AKKA? It means a while ago today. So this is an adverb of time and it means a while ago today. Now, how do we write AKKA in Hangul? It has two syllables, so let's start with the first one. So as you can see, to write the syllable A in Hangul, we need to draw first a placeholder or a PH, also called as a no sound iyang, followed by an A character. So again, it's an iyang plus an A character. That's for the first syllable. For the second syllable Ka, we need to draw first a double giyok or sanggiyok character, and it is followed by an A character. And then, after that, we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables so that we can write AKKA in Hangul. And with that, you've just learned AKKA. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 73 to 82. But before our review, let's not forget word number 83, our word for today, AKKA, which means a while ago today. The first word for our review is 지금. This is an adverb of time which means now. Next word for our review is 어제. This is another adverb of time which means yesterday. Next word for our review is 내일, which means tomorrow. Word number 79 is 오늘. This is another adverb of time which means today. Next word for our review is 일어나, and this is used to say wake up or get up. Next word for our review is 오다, which means to come. Next word for our review is 언제, and this is used to ask when. Next word for our review is 누나. This is a term for older sister used by a younger brother. Next word is 언니, and this is used to say older sister, and this is used by a younger sister. And the last word for our review is word number 73, 형. This is a term for older brother used by a younger brother. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.